Very good morning, students. Yesterday we already discussing about oogenesis process. Today class we are going to discussing about that oogenesis process, that is a continuous process. Okay, it is a yesterday class only. We are continue that chapter. Okay, the oogenesis process, it is always takes place in the inside the ovaries. Inside the ovaries, oogenesis process. Oogenesis. Oogenesis process. Oogenesis means formation of the ovum or egg cell is known as a oogenesis. This oogenesis process takes place in female. The oogenesis takes place inside the ovary. The inner lining of the ovaries, it is consists of germinal epithelium cells. The germinal epithelium cells are also known as a germinal epithelium cells also known as a, it is a germinal epithelium cells are also known as a mother cells or stem cells. These stem cells continuously divide. They will produce to the mitotically, they will produce primary, that is a oocyte. The primary oocyte is converted into the secondary oocyte. They will produce to the one polar body. The secondary oocyte is produced again converted into the ovum or egg cell. That is second polar body. Second polar. These all events are taking place in the inside the ovary. Events taking place in the ovaries, inside the ovaries. Coming to the ovary, if you observe the ovary structure, the ovary, it is looks like a almond shape. The ovaries are 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 looks like a almond shape. The ovaries looks like a almond shape. The inner lining of the ovary, it is made up of. The inner lining of the ovary is made up of. The inner lining of the ovary is made up of. The inner lining of the ovary, it is made up of germinal epithelium cells. Germinal epithelium cells. Inner lining of the ovary, it is consist of germinal epithelium cells. What is it? Germinal epithelium cells. Germinal epithelium cells. Germinal epithelium cells. Epithelium cells. The inner lining of the ovary, the inner lining, it is made up of germinal epithelium cells. The germinal epithelium cells are also known as oogonium mother cells. Oogonium mother cells is also known as oogonium mother cells. These oogonium mother cells are also known as oogonium stem cells. Are also known as oogonium stem cells. Are also known as oogonium stem cells. This germinal epithelium cells, the germinal epithelium cells continuously divide through the mitotic process. Through the mitosis process. Through the mitosis process, they are continuously divided. The germinal epithelium cells, they are continuously divided. They will produce oogonium cells. These are nothing but oogonium cells. Is nothing but oogonium cells. Oogonium cells. This oogonium cells, the oogonium cells again continuously increase the size. The oogonium cells increase the size is nothing but primary oocyte. Primary oocyte is indicate primary oocyte. It is divided into the primary oocyte. The primary oocyte, the size of the cell is increases. The size of the cell is increases. What is the process here also? Mitosis process. What is the process? Mitosis process. The primary oocyte converted into the secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. It is converted to the secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte again produce egg cell or ovum. Here, if you observe the internal anatomy of the ovary, it is consists of two parts. The first part, it is indicate cortex. The inner part is known as the medulla. The cortex portion, it is consist of follicular cells. This cortex area, the cortex area consists of follicular cells. What is the cells? Follicular cells. What is the cells? Follicular cells. These cells are indicated primordial cells. What is the cells, Nana? Primordial cells. These primary follicles, the surrounding of the primary oocyte. The surrounding of the primary oocyte consists of the primary follicles, and also it is also consists of follicular cells, and also it is a primary oocyte. Again, it is consists of primary oocyte. It is surrounding it is oocyte is consists of follicular cells. Okay, after the egg is, it is the participated into the ovulation or fertilization process. Fertilization or ovulation process. For example, the no fertilization. Whenever the no fertilization, this egg cells, no fertilization means it is modified into this graphene follicles. Here they produce. It is the oogonia mother cells. The mitosis process, primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, egg cells are formed. It is inside the ovary. Coming to the mechanism. See here how these cells are formed. Germinal epithelium cells. The germinal epithelium cells, it is indicate oogonium cells. Oogonium mother cells. These oogonium mother cells are continuously divide. They will produce oogonium mother cells. Continuously divide. They will produce two cells. The process is known as a mitosis process. What is the process? Mitosis process. These cells are continuously divided. It is indicate A cell. It is indicate B cell. It is also divide. Continuously divided. Okay. These B cells, the size is increases. Thus, whenever the size is increases, it is indicated primary oocyte. The primary oocyte again divided into it is the first polar body. It is indicated secondary oocyte. It is indicated secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte again produce. This process known as a meiosis 1. But here process known as a meiosis 2 process. It is the second polar body. It is the first polar body. Second polar body. It produce. It is the worm or egg. Okay, this phase is known as a multiplication phase. What is the phase? Multiplication phase. This phase is known as a growth phase. It is nothing but differentiation phase. It is known as a differentiation phase. It is indicated differentiation phase. This all events are taking place. This here, the meiosis process start only once the baby is growing inside the mother. Meiosis process start before the childbirth. Once the baby is at the time of the birth, this meiosis process are, that is the arrest condition. This condition arrested. Okay, they completely arrested. Okay, whenever the baby reaches into the puberty condition through the hormonal regulation, again these follicles are again activated. The secondary oocyte produce the first egg cell. It is indicated the separate, that is the menstrual cycle. We will discuss the latter. Okay, coming to this cycle takes place inside the ovaries. It is indicated ovary. Okay, see here. Okay, it is indicated. This inner lining is made up of germinal epithelium cells. These germinal epithelium cells will produce oogonium cells. What is the cells? Oogonium cells. Oogonium cells. Oogonium cells. What is the process? What is the process? Mitosis process. What is the process? Mitosis process. These oogonium cells, the oogonium cells converted into the, they are modified into the primary oocyte. They are converted to the primary oocyte. The surrounding of the primary oocyte, the surrounding of the primary oocyte, it is consist of primary follicle cells. Okay, no? Follicular cells. The surrounding of the follicular cells. What is the name of follicular? Primary follicles. Primary follicles. Primary follicles. This indicate primary follicles. This one is indicate primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. This primary follicles. The primary follicles are converted into the, it is a secondary follicles. Secondary follicles. Converted into the secondary follicles. It is the secondary follicles. That is a growth phase. Secondary follicles. These secondary follicles means the first one, it is indicate primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. Again, they consist of follicular cells and granulosa cells. What is the cells? It is indicated granulosa cells. Primary follicles and granulosa cells. What is the cells? Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. It is indicated primary oocyte. It is indicated primary oocyte. This primary follicle and secondary follicle means the size is increases, means growth phase. The secondary follicles converted into the tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicles. See here, the tertiary follicles means it is consist of the tertiary follicles means it is consist of what is it is indication. The tertiary follicles means it is indicate secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. It is indicated secondary oocyte. It is indicate the first polar body. 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 This surroundings consist of one important layer is known as a zona pellucida. What is this one? Zona pellucida. It is indicate tertiary follicles. It is indicate zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. This zona pellucida, surrounding zona pellucida, granulosa cells. What is the cells? Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. What is the cells? Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. The granulosa cells again consist of one important. The granulosa cells again created the small cavities. This granulosa cells here created small cavity. This cavity is nothing but antrum. The granulosa cells, between the granulosa cells created the small cavity is known as a antrum cavity. It is a fluid filled cavity. It is nothing but fluid filled cavity. Fluid filled cavity. They will provide nutrition to the secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. The next one, theca interna cells. Theca interna cells. Theca externa cells. Theca interna cells. Theca externa cells. Theca externa. Theca interna. Theca interna cells. These all are nothing but tertiary follicles. It is the tertiary follicles. The tertiary follicles, they will let us to the Graafian follicles. The tertiary follicles as it is, Graafian follicles converted to the Graphian follicles. It is indicated Graphian follicles. Graphian follicles. Graphian follicles. Graphian follicles. The tertiary follicles are also known as a Graphian follicles. The Graphian follicles, tertiary follicles consist of theca external, first one, theca external, next one, theca internal, next one, antrum, granulosa cells, the next is consist of zona pellucida, first polar body, next one, secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte is converted into they participate into the meiosis 2 process, the rupturing of the secondary oocyte. This rupturing of secondary oocyte, it produces egg cell. It is known as the ovulation process. The Graphian follicles are ruptured. Whenever the Graphian follicles are ruptured, they will produce, that is known as the ovulation process. The Graphian follicles are ruptured, they will produce egg cell. These all phases are present in the number of the blood vessels. Blood vessels is indicate cortex, is indicate stroma, it is indicate cortex or stroma. Primary oocyte or secondary follicles. These all follicles are formed before the birth. Secondary follicles, it is indicate converted into the meiosis 2 process. What is the name? Meiosis 1 process. After here, the meiosis 2 process. The fertilization, the meiosis 2 process takes place. Meiosis 2 process takes place. After, for example, no fertilization. It is waiting for the 14 days. Okay, what will happen? Next one. See here, first one, primary follicles, secondary follicles, tertiary follicles, and Graphian follicles. The Graphian follicles rupture, they produce egg cell. See here, first one, germinal epithelium cells. Here the blood vessels. Please indicate germinal epithelium cells. Germinal epithelium cells. It is also known as oogonium mother cells. They will produce continuously oogonium mother cells. They will continuously produce. What is the process? Mitosis process. Oogonium mother cells. Oogonium mother cells. This oogonium mother cells, they continuously divide. They will produce primary oocyte, follicular cells, primary follicles. Primary follicles. This oogonium mother cells converted into the large shaped cell is known as that is the primary oocyte. It is indicate primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. These cells are nothing but follicular cells. The follicular cells. These follicular cells present in the stroma. These follicular cells are present in the stroma. The millions of follicular cells. The millions of follicular cells are present in the stroma. These follicular cells are surrounding of the primary oocyte. This primary oocyte, see here, the primary follicles converted into the secondary follicles. Primary follicles means is indicate primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. It is indicate. Next one, granulosa cells. What is the cells? Granulosa cells. Is indicate granulosa cells. It is indicate granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. It is indicate secondary follicles. Secondary follicles. The secondary follicles. What is the name? Secondary follicles. The size is, the number of the cells, cell number is increases, the layers also increases. Okay, coming to the secondary follicles. The secondary follicles convert into the tertiary follicles. Tertiary follicles. It is indicate secondary oocyte. It is indicate secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte. The secondary oocyte. It is the first polar body. First polar body. First polar body. Secondary follicles converted into the tertiary follicles. Secondary follicles converted to tertiary follicles. Okay, again, first polar body. The next one, zona pellucida. What is the layer? Zona pellucida. What is the layer, Nana? Zona pellucida. The zona pellucida. After them, granulosa cells. Number of granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. Granulosa cells. The granulosa cells create to the one cavity is known as the antrum. Antrum is the fluid cavity. Outside the antrum, theca externa, theca interna cells. Theca externa, theca interna cells. Theca externa, theca interna cells. Theca externa. Next one, theca interna. Okay, this it is indicate tertiary follicles. Converted to the tertiary follicles. The tertiary follicles modified into the attached to the Graafian follicles. Indicate Graafian follicles. The Graafian follicles is indicate Graafian follicles. Graafian follicles. The Graafian follicles, tertiary follicles means is same. The Graafian follicles, tertiary. The Graafian follicles also take external. It is as it is the structure of the tertiary follicles. Okay, these Graafian follicles are ruptured. The rupturing of the Graafian follicle. The rupturing of the Graafian follicle. rupturing of the Graafian follicle. Rupturing of the Graafian follicle. Rupturing of the Graafian follicles. These Graafian follicles rupture, the secondary oocyte converted into the ovum or egg cell. The second rupturing of the Graafian follicle, secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. Again, meiosis 2 process. Secondary process. Already meiosis 1 is completed. The meiosis 2 process, they produce ovum or egg cell. Egg cell. That is nothing but that is the ovulation process. Ovulation process. Ovulation means produce egg cells. For example, no rupture. For example, the Graafian follicles are rupture, no fertilization. For example, no fertilization. The Graafian follicles are rupture, the remaining part, the secondary oocyte modified into the ovum or egg cell. The secondary oocyte modified into the remaining part. This remaining Graafian follicles modified into the corpus luteum. The Graafian follicles are modified into the corpus luteum. Okay, rupture. Okay, rupture. It is modified. Graafian follicles are modified into the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum is modified into the corpus luteum. Is nothing but yellow body. Yellow body. The corpus luteum. The corpus luteum is modified into the yellow body. This yellow body is modified into the white body. Yellow body, it is modified into the white body. White body. White body. It is indicate corpus albicans. Albicans. It is waiting for the 14 days. It is waiting for the 14 days. These corpus luteums are degenerate. These are the degenerate. These all events are taking place in the inside the ovary. These are the events in ovary. Events in ovary. Events in ovary. See here, first one, the mitosis process. Again, mitosis process is indicate growth phase. Next one, secondary follicles are converted into the tertiary follicles. What is the process here? Meiosis 1. What is the process? Meiosis 1 process. Tertiary follicle converted into the, again, here the ovulation process. The ovulation process. Again, this egg cell again combined to the during the fertilization process. During the fertilization process, the meiosis 2 process takes place. These are the events that takes place in this. See here, Pugini mother cells converted to the primary follicles. Primary follicles consist of primary oocyte. Again, primary follicles are converted into the secondary follicles. The number of the layers increases. Primary oocyte and granulosa cells. The secondary follicles are converted to tertiary follicles with the process known as meiosis 1 process up to here. See here, up to here, the meiosis 1 process. Before the birth, how many secondary follicles are present in the female baby ovaries? How many secondary follicles? 1 million of the secondary follicles are formed. Before the birth, 1 million secondary follicles are formed. Secondary follicles are formed before the birth. At the time of the birth, 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 at the time of the before the birth, how many secondary follicles are formed? How many secondary follicles? 1 million. At the time of the birth is 60,000 to 80,000. 60,000 to 80,000 secondary follicles are converted into the, that is the tertiary follicles. Converted into tertiary follicles. Again, each tertiary follicle produce one egg cell each and every month. That is the menstrual cycle. We will discuss in the later. We will discuss the next class. Okay, see here the tertiary follicle. Tertiary follicles, how many layers? Number of layers increases. What is the meiosis 1 process? It is to indicate secondary oocyte. Next one, first polar body. Next one indicate zona pellucida. This indicate granulosa cells. Theca externa, theca interna. It create granulosa cells create. It is the one antrum cavity. It is filled with nutrient filled cavity, nutrient fluid. This fluid is helpful to provide nutrients to the secondary oocyte. After the rupture, for example, the Graafian follicles rupture, they produce egg cell. This process, the rupturing of the Graafian follicle produce egg cell. It is picked up by the fimbriae. The edge of the fallopian tube is the infundibulum. These egg cells are entered into this egg cells are picked up the fallopian tube. The fertilization takes place in the ampullary isthmic junction. At the time of the fertilization, the meiosis II process takes place. For example, no fertilization, this Graafian follicle, the remaining part, the Graafian follicle, it is converted into the yellow body. This yellow body is known as a carpus luteum. Luteum means the lutein is the yellow color protein present. This lutein, this red color, it is the Graafian follicles are red in color. This red color is modified into yellow color. This yellow color is again modified into it is the white body is known as a carpus albicans. This yellow body also known as a carpus luteum. This carpus luteum produce progesterone hormone. This hormone, it is helpful further to maintain the pregnancy. Which hormone to maintain the pregnancy? Progesterone hormone. This hormone is produced by the carpus luteum. But the Graafian follicles produce one important hormone, estrogen hormone. This hormone is helpful further to maintain the secondary sexual characters of the female. Secondary sexual character of the female. This Graafian follicles produce the Graafian follicles produce or tertiary follicles produce estrogen hormone. What is the hormone? Estrogen hormone. These estrogen hormones are helpful for the secondary sexual characters of the female. That is in breast development, the hair growth on the genital organs. Okay, this all changes that takes place in the menstrual cycles. It is the estrogen cycle, estrogen hormones. Next one, this carpus luteum. The carpus luteum yellow body produce one important hormone, progesterone hormone. What is the hormone? Progesterone hormone. This hormone is helped to maintain the pregnancy. To maintain the pregnancy. It is the story behind. It is indicate. This all events that takes place in the inside the ovary. It is the story of the oogenesis process. Thank you very much.